Hello friends, today we will see how we can create custom theme in Liferay 6.2. So first we have this classic theme. So today we will create a new theme and then apply this on our welcome page. So let's start this. So right click new in Liferay plugin project. Give the name of your theme like and select theme in plugin type. Now click on next. So here we have a option of theme parent. So it's unstyled, styled and classic. So in 99.99% of cases we use this styled. And then in theme framework we use Velocity. So Velocity is a language we can see in later tutorials. So for now just click on this finish. So our theme is created. So let's open this. Inside doc.root we have this diff folder. So this diff folder will contain all the files that are different from your parent theme. So this is my parent theme styled. So if I want to change something from parent theme, we just change this in diff folder. So we will see. First let's deploy this. So now our theme is deployed and available for use. Let me just open this. Now click on admin and go to pages. So as you can see we have one more theme available, which is Liferay is easy. So I just create one more page and apply the theme on that page. So like keep it as one column. So now I select this my theme page and inside look and feel select this, define a specific look and then select our custom theme, which is this, and click on save. So now we have two pages, one is welcome and second is my theme, and on welcome we have this theme classic and on the my theme page we have our custom theme. So this is our classic theme, and when I click on this my theme, so this is our custom theme and it is nothing but a simple plain. So now we need to change something in this, or we can create a proper theme by using CSS and JavaScript. So let's see how we can do this. So first of all, like as you can see, this is blank. So I need to create an icon of this kind for our theme. So as I already told you, the diff folder will contain all the files that different from your parent theme. So first check the parent theme. So parent theme contain these all files. Like inside CSS, inside images, all this, and templates. So the templates are the main thing, and the portal normal VM, it is the heart of theme. So open this. So look, this contain all the thing. Let's change something in these files or some other. So we need to create a same structure inside this diff folder. So I'm creating a new folder CSS. Similarly, so if I want to change in this file, so I simply copy this and paste inside this. So all the changes are in diff folder. I also want to create a thumbnail for this, like these thumbnails. So let me open this. So as you can see, it's a thumbnail.png image inside images folder. So I create a same image inside this. So I already download this. So like copy. So inside images, I want to create a new image. So let's deploy this. So it's available for use. And look, now we have a thumbnail for our image, and thumbnail is because of like we create a same folder and override this. So now thumbnail.png is our custom image, not from these images. So all the changes are done in this diff folder. So it's available for use. And look, we have this. So in the next video, we try to create more things inside this VM file. We also see some of the velocity templates tags. So if you like the video, you can hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.